Malian exhaust install. Let's do this. Yeah. Yeah. For my exhaust. Bolts and gaskets. Love that. Just what we need. Sticker. I think I'll stick this to the car. That's cool. And then everything else. Just get it unpackaged, I guess. This part attaches to the cat. I'm guessing this part attaches to that part. Or how? I don't know. This is, what is this? Alright, that's the section that splits the exhaust. That's the end of it. Look at that big boy. Alright. These two. Boom. Boom. I'm so tired. Alright, let's try and get the old exhaust off. I probably won't even be able to do that. Probably be rusted out. Yo, join me underneath the R53. It's quite rusty, to be fair. I'm gonna start off by taking the heat shield or whatever shield this thing is off. I think it's 10mm screws, bolts. That's right, that's tight. Left loose. One. Oh shit. Snapped it. Oh fuck. Snapped it again. What the heck? Fuck. Fucking snapped him. Now how does that come off if I've snapped him? Do I pull it? Fucking hell, mate. Alright, that's off. Next part. Next part is this plate that holds some rubber bushings. So let's try and get that off. These don't snap. It's gonna take a while. Fuck. Right, one down. I'm gonna pause this, it's gonna take ages. You get the idea. Okay, last screw on this part. Oh god. The rustiest one as well. Please don't snap. Okay, we got it. Alright, so that plate's unbolted. Last but not least is the cat bolts. Let's go around and see how rusty they are. Alright, these cat bolts are so rusty. I was expecting it to look like this, to be fair. I'm gonna see if I can crack them off somehow with this bad boy, but I hope I don't have to cut them off because I haven't got a saw or blade or whatever right now. Let's see if we can just wrench them off. Sunshine, that's what you are. See if that fits better. Yo, 6:30. I'm still here, trying to get the bolts off, and I just wanted to document this. Is this is the cat bolt I've been trying to get off for the past freaking 3 hours, and I've done it. I've finally done it. Mate, look at the state of me. I've had to freaking saw one off with a wooden saw thing. Whoa, fuck. We've done it. We've finally done it. Jesus. The cat. Oh, fuck. Mate, I'm so glad I've done that. Let's do this. It's about 8:30 at night, but I've finally done it. The exhaust is off. I'm so cooked. I'm done, mate. Get this fucking rust bucket out of the way, and then we can start work. Yo. What's up, guys? So last night I gave up. I think I was working from about 2 in the afternoon till 10 at night. My girlfriend was getting up with me, so I gave up. Come back this morning. Mate, I've smashed it. Sleeping on it has definitely helped. Look. It's all in. All installed. I'm just tightening up the bolts now. But this is gonna be so sick. I hope it's worth it. Yeah, just gotta find the right wrenches and stuff to tighten up all the bolts, and then put the wheels back on and start it up and see how it sounds. So let's do this, we're nearly there. Put the rear wheels back on. This is the exhaust. This is right. I'm gonna put the ramp down and see how it sounds. So this is the moment of truth, guys. This is probably what 12 hours of painstaking work. Cut all my hands up, my knees. I'm in bits, but hopefully it's worth it. So let's get this car down and see how it sounds. This is the moment of truth.